Today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter in your 2019 to 2024 Ram 1500. The only tools you need is a 10mm socket with a ratchet or a screw gun. And if you don't have that, you can use a flathead screwdriver. For today's video, I'm going to use a screw gun with the 10mm socket. After you get the hood open, you're going to locate the air box. There are 6 mounting screws that you'll need to remove. You don't got to worry about these falling out because they will stay in place. So go ahead and remove all 6 mounting. Then you will lift the airbox lid up and out of the way. You will remove your old air filter. Then you're going to reinstall your new air filter. Close the airbox lid. Then you're going to refasten all 6 screws. And there you have it. You replaced your own air filter in your Ram 1500. If this video helped you at all, please give it a like and comment below what else you'd like to see.